hard disk that you are going to image. The capacity is 500 GB, and for you to image this disk, you need another extra 500 GB where the image is going to be copied. Remember, we are not doing the normal copying. What we are doing is a bit by bit copying. This means that even those spaces which do not contain anything, those spaces which are empty, those spaces with just some nonsense data, data that does not make sense, is going to be copied into the destination disk. You don't want to have many fragments of image. For instance, we want to have like image size of 500 GB instead of like fragments of 100 GB, 100 GB, so that it simplifies for you when you are doing the analysis of the same image. So we are going to learn how to connect this disk to the write blocker. This is the write blocker. This is the one that blocks any writing of any type of data into the destination hard disk. Remember, there can be some viruses, some triggers that can trigger that aspect of writing data into the evidence, which can directly destroy the evidence. So you need to know whether the disk is SATA or IDE, and as you can see, this is SATA. This is how you connect it. This is a cable. It comes with the lab. Then from here we need to give our small write blocker power. So this already we have connected this from the power. We have already given our write blocker the power. This is a switch to power on, and these are the LEDs which will indicate that there are activities taking place. So the next thing is to give our hard disk the power, the normal power cable there we are. So the only thing we have is to connect the data cable, that will now transfer the data between this hard disk and your destination hard disk. So that is how you connect that one. Then you also connect to the hard disk, the one that you are imaging right now, and make sure that you don't tamper with this. They're very sensitive, these connectors. So we are now set to start the process of imaging, and the next thing that we're supposed to do is to have to connect the USB from the right blocker onto your right blocker and into the laptop, that is, sorry, and make sure that you have enough USB cables. There we are. Then this cable is going to go into the right blocker here, there. So we are now completely set to go, and as you can see, the connection is like that, the laptop is like that, the hard disk is like that. So the next step is now, I will take you the next class. It will be on starting off the imaging process. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you. Hoping that you are learning more, and we expect your feedbacks. Thank you.